Today we will be unboxing the new OnePlus pouch made in collaboration with Sharge. This is the only all-in-one charger you will ever need. This 3-in-1 solution of power bank, charger, and cable modularize these three parts for individual versatility, yet cleverly unifies them into one sleek look. All for seamless portability and effortless functionality. I have already opened the box and removed the parts for a faster review. This is the unit that I have bought from the first batch of pre-orders from www.sharge.com. The box includes 4 different adapters with global compatibility for US, Europe, India, UK and Australia. The classic red OnePlus cable has protection in each end and supports up to 100 watts of fast charging for one device. The silky smooth silicone cable is 75 centimeters long and has over 10,000 bend lifespan. The protective caps can stay in place by rotating them 90 degrees. The main body is ultra compact in a grip, and you snap on the cable so can carry it along and not have it separately and end up losing it. There are 2 sockets for the charging cable to snap on, so you can carry it along. You simply push them in until it clicks, and to remove them you press the button and pull. With this particular feature you can charge your mobile phone on the go. And with the snap-on cable connected to the power bank you will never worry about falling down. The main body can be separated and be used in multiple ways. Depending in your region you can use the adapter that is suitable for your country. You simply plug it in and use the first block as a standalone charger. And if you want to use it as a power bank, you simply put the cable in the second block and charge your device. To power on the device, you can press the button once and the light indicators will light up, showing you the capacity of the battery. To turn it off, you simply double press the power button and the light indicators will turn off. There are multiple scenarios for this device to be used, covering your daily needs. From charging your earbuds to your tablet and even your laptop and of course your mobile phone. And you can even use the 2 blocks at the same time with the given example. As shown in the picture, you can charge a laptop while using the 2 USB ports for charging 2 devices simultaneously. The 10,000 mAh battery is enough to charge your devices for a single day, including in-out high voltage protection, extreme temperature protection, short circuit protection, overcharge, discharge protection. So far it has been a delight using it. And comparing it to my previous power banks, it has been easier to have it on me. The best part is when traveling you can have less of a hassle to figure out if you got the right cable or the charger or the power bank with you. This all-in-one miracle is available for order through the company's website. It retails around €75 and you can pre-order now for the second round and expect to ship out around the end of July.